Okay, camera, action. You guys want to take the first poke at it?
Okay.
Okay, Susie just sit there.
We'll
Gotcha.
destroy some stuff.
Okay.
Alright.
Knock her back.
What are you gonna aim for?
We have a pause right now. Should have got it all set up before I started filming here.
Eastern or something.
You want me to start shooting?
You want to be an ass?
I'm gonna run out of memory.
Ooh.
I was trying to get the car. Did I get it? I got it.
There we go.
Down goes SpongeBob. SpongeBob's down. Ooh, yeah. Watch is down. There goes the car. What?
I'm shooting good.
Yeah, no, that's the way it's supposed to go.
Is that like an older?
That's my old magazine.
I was gonna say, there's a reason why that one shot so good.
Yeah. Gonna have to do cleanup after this.
Yeah.
That's why I bring trash bags.
I know. That's funny everywhere.
Yeah, that magazine makes all the difference. I think I need to put a little oil in the plastic bags.
Cover that thing up.
There is a fireworks sign. There is a new fireworks sign posted.
Shooting fireworks.
Uh-huh.
Are this
Hear that? Right there. Blowing up all of that.
we're like so fuzzy? You're tearing up the dirt.
I'm hitting it.
Something went flying.
I'm out.
Yeah. It doesn't take long.
She's like,
I'm out.
Firing
I'm out.
with extreme prejudice.
With extreme prejudice. I was trying to take that tire out all the way for you.
The what?
The tower.
Alright.
Oh, by shooting the bottom of it?
Ready?
Yeah.
We're just shooting up toys right now.
Isn't that what we're all doing?
Yeah.
Shooting our toys for sure.
We
We're actually
maybe
shooting
put
at
my kids' toys together. In Goodwill.
Oh, I thought we got tires and run out of targets. Let's put that out there.
Goodness gracious.
This would be a good AK-47 target. Blow that thing.
There's like, that tower has just a bunch of holes in it.
I know.
Like, that thing is strong.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I just put like 7 holes in it.
I kind of basically just go all
Look.
the way across it.
There's like just holes going straight up it. I am fully protected. Okay. Whew, it's been a minute. What's this on there for?
That's, you know, we were complaining about our cheek not resting
Oh,
properly.
yeah, okay.
There it is. There's rock and
Oh,
roll.
okay.
This trigger's real light on this, so it kind of surprises you.
Yeah.
You remember?
Okay, this is the one that needs to be lowered a little. Which way is it go?
Lord?
Yeah, because I'm short.
Oh, dude.
Oh, yeah. Are you watching, Gabe?
Mm-hmm. That frightens me.
A little concussion there.
Dang. Totally different than that other one.
Yeah.
I'm used to it.
I know the trigger on that's so light that I shoot sometimes I don't mean to.
Don't
Aim.
need to. You can't even tell where I'm hitting right now.
You can feel the cement
Vibration.
shake.
I don't think I've hit any of it.
Aim for the bottom of the tower.
Oh, I am.
It's going through the tower, I think.
It's what? Blowing through it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's blowing right through the tower.
It's a bullet-ridden terrorist outpost.
Oh my god, that thing should be falling apart by now. I would think like riddle would pull over.
You got a bunch of holes in it.
I was trying to hit the top part that time.
Very
Bam! Did you see that?
Whoa!
blew
Snack
the
the
top
whole
off.
top part of the
Yep.
tower off.
I wanted it to change in some manner, so.